Okay. So Metabase is a tool where we store all the raw data and then we use it to create useful dashboards and charts. So like we have few key components of Metabase, that is questions, dashboards and databases, models and collection. So we can create dashboards and KPIs using two methods, question method and SQL method. In question, we just need to select few tables that we need. We need to add filter and then summarize it. In SQL query, either you should know how to write a SQL query, or else you can use AI for that. Like I also generally use AI to write my SQL queries. Other than that, I have created few dashboards like productivity dashboard, ticketing dashboard, e-team global dashboard, and billing dashboard. Productivity dashboard is the dashboard that you guys see every day. Like I regularly check that our everybody like planned for the day, everybody has 12 tasks, and Raj also checks this productivity dashboard every day. It shows everything: total tasks completed by each person, open task, and average close time. So it gives us a overview that how is that person performing. Other than that, ticketing dashboard I have created for customer success, so that we can see that how customers are reporting tickets. Tickets are defects, so we can track it using this. Other than that, eTeam Global Dashboard is basically for our projects. Like phone recruiter, Shriram is working on it. So is the app performing good enough? Other than that, recruiter analysis, this is also one project that I have created. So we can use different filters and parameters and create everything. For example, if I want to check, like this is one of the filter, date filter. So if I want to like check for fixed date, so I can check on Friday what were total task, open task, and everything for each person also. I can check for like Vaishnavi, that how many total tasks are there for her and everything. This data is for Friday. So we can check everything. Other than that, I'll show you all the dashboards that I have created. This is productivity dashboard in which we can see total task open, closed, and average close time. We have top performer also. Like all the data is present in raw form only, and I have converted that using SQL query to create this dashboard. So like we have all our data present in Trino. So we are like for productivity dashboard, I am using task manager API because we are creating task in task manager, and we have all this data. This is all raw data, all raw data. Like we need to create something to use this data. So Metabase helps us create something. Okay. Other than that, I have created eTeam Global Dashboard also, in which we can track all the projects like prep and debrief. We have WebRTC, we have Telnex, Phone Recruiter. All these are created. This is recruiter and this is billing. Now, can you guys do with me like side by side only? I can show you how to create simple questions. Okay. You need to click on new and then go to SQL query. First let's open database. Go to databases and then click on Trino. Are we on the same page? Database Trino. Okay. So now go into work management, like task manager, sorry. Then go into work management. Are you guys there?
Yes.
Okay. So now you can filter, like directly we can check who all have created task for today. You guys have playtest access, so you might not be able to see your task, but I have created few tasks for you in playtest so that you can see. So filter it out by created at today. This is my ID. What are the tasks that you can see? Did you filter out using today? Guys, please unmute and speak.
Yes, we did.
What all tasks can you see?
Contractor care, people care,
Okay. So
database management.
now what we can do, like how I create dashboards. So I go to my database and I give my chat gpt that I need to see all the, like first task, let's create total task for today. Okay, total task for Yashika. I have created many. Ask chat gpt that I have my data in Trino, in task manager, in work management. Give this photo like this much, and afterwards tell what are columns are present, and ask ChatGPT to create a SQL query for Trino to calculate total task and close, total open and close task. Okay.
Repeat it again.
Go to ChatGPT and ask that I need a SQL query, generate a SQL query in which uh, you need to show total task, open task, and close task for today for Yashika Bhalla, and write that the data is present in Trino inside Task Manager API inside Work Management Task, and show all the data, like all the column names. So it can see what all columns is there. I will show you. It will generate something like this. Okay. Guys, did it generate any SQL query?
Yes.
Can you share your screen, Vaishnavi? Okay. So copy the second query, the below one. Yeah. Now go to Metabase. Click on New, right side. Click on SQL query. Select database at Trino. Trino. Yeah. Now paste your SQL query and run. Remove the semicolon. In the end, you can see assign to. Now run again. We don't have any assign to column. It is uh, T dot assign. Okay, you guys need to have this also. Tell your chat GPT that the data for user, the data is present in user management. When you will go into Metabase database, you'll see Trino. Go into user management. After that, use user data. In this, you need to pick up the full name, like first name and last name. And in task manager, you have you like ID. In Task Manager, the assignee is ID. So assignee should be equal to UID in user management. So then the full name will appear. So tell that also. This is the SQL query that you will get from ChatGPT, and it will show total task, closed task, and open task. It is calculating closed task as done. When the status is in done state, in database we have a column called as in task manager we have status as done. So all the done tasks are closed, and to do and other ones are like assigned, in progress, unassigned, all comes under closed task, like open task. So this is the query. You can try running it on your metabase also. Try the same query. I will copy paste. I,
Yes.
same output. Now give this to ChatGPT and ask. I don't want to hard code any name. I want to see for all users. Total task, closed task, and open task. I need to see for all users. For today only. Anybody there yet?
Yes. For the all user.
For all
It's
users.
2289,
Yes.
right?
Two user. Only.
Only two users. Like you are in playtest, that's why it is showing less. So can you share your screen?
Total task 2289 it is showing. Is it correct? Yashika?
Total task. It is not
Hmm,
filtering by today. It is showing overall.
okay.
That's why it is coming so much. So if you'll run this query in Metabase prod, so you'll get whole list for everyone, for you guys also. So in night stand up today, you can show that first you need to get access to PT like prod. I will ask Kesan to give you guys access for this. So one homework exercise that you can do, same question, same SQL query, you need to generate using question. So when we are clicking on new, here you can see question. So by using question, you need to generate the same output. Like this screen will come, and now you need to create the same output using question. Like first we have used SQL query, now you have to use like question form. Mostly we will use SQL query only, but this is just for trial that we have to show. Okay. Other task for you for today is get access to Metabase prod and create your own collection in here. Okay. And in that, add your SQL query that you were showing right now, that total task for all the user, close task, and open task for all the user, and show it in night stand up today. Okay, I will inform Kesan to give you guys access to Metabase prod. Then you can create collection and create it by your name only. in new collection. Okay. Like I have Yashika personal collection, create in that. Don't create somewhere else. Any question, guys? Any questions?
Yashika, the same query we have to run that in the
In
collection.
prod environment, yeah. In prod environment.
After creating the new collection, what we have to do, Ashika?
Wait. Create new collection. Go into collection it saved in. There you have to create a new collection named as your name and then
And if
create.
you're Yashika,
Okay. In collection, click on create a new collection, name it as Yashika, whatever, and create a new collection. Maybe your personal collection will come up. Create in that. Are you able to see your personal collection? Yeah, so create in that only. Okay, and then create it and then add new SQL query there, the query that you just ran for all the users. Also, you can create filter, date filter also. Hmm. For today, just add it in your personal collection. Show total task, open task, and close task. Right now, you are getting in same row all the three things. Try to create three number cards. So, number cards you can create by going into visualization and then select number. There are more graphs also, like you can create using this and this, but create a number card right now for total, closed, and open. When you will run the SQL query, go into visualization and select number. Any doubt, guys? All clear? Please ask your doubts right now only. Otherwise, Raj will take test on Friday about Metabase and everything. No doubts. All clear. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I will ask Kesan to give you access to Metabase prod. There you can create your collection and then write the same query. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.